We are currently building brilliant minds and trapping them in broken bodies. Modern large language models can reason, write, and analyze at an incredible level, but getting them to actually interact with the outside world leaves development teams straining under the weight of an antiquated architecture. The culprit is something developers call glue code. If you want your AI to check a simple weather API to get the local forecast, you have to write a custom, one-off script just to connect them. If you want it to read your company's files, you set up a vector database, a storage system that lets the AI search documents by meaning, and you write an entirely different custom script to connect that. Look at how this maps out in practice. You start with a single AI node in the center, but as you add capabilities, a flight booking tool, a dozen different databases, an internal company calendar, the custom integration code piles up. This setup is incredibly brittle. Because everything is hardwired together, if a single third-party API updates its login requirements, that custom connection breaks. And because the system is tightly coupled, that single failure can cascade and crash your entire AI workflow. For developers, this creates a maintenance nightmare. Your AI's core reasoning logic and the external tool's messy implementation logic are permanently tangled. Adding a new tool or swapping an old one out requires tearing into the codebase all over again. The multi-tool integration mess is the true bottleneck of modern AI. Instead of pushing capabilities forward, engineering teams spend their time maintaining a fragile web of custom scripts that refuse to scale. To fix the bottleneck, we have to eliminate the custom scripts entirely. And that is exactly what Anthropic's open-source standard, the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, was built to do. Think of MCP as the USB-C standard for artificial intelligence. Before USB-C, every device required a proprietary charger. Now, a single standard adapter powers everything. MCP does the exact same thing for AI tools. Notice what happens to the architecture. MCP severs all those messy point-to-point custom connections. In their place, it drops in a singular, clean client-server interface. This enforces a strict separation of concerns. Your AI's logic stays isolated on one side of the line, and the external tool's code stays securely on the other. The two never actually touch. By establishing this universal language, developers no longer write integration code. They simply plug their tools into the standard, and any AI that speaks MCP can immediately use them. To see how this executes in the real world, we start with the tool itself, say an airline booking system. Instead of wiring the AI directly into that booking system, a developer wraps the tool inside a lightweight MCP server. This server has a very specific job. It standardizes 3 things for the network: tools, which are actions the AI can take; resources, which are local files and data the AI can read; and prompts, which give the AI specific instructions. Most importantly, the server generates a service catalog. This is a simple JSON file, a standard text format, that acts as a user manual. It provides a clear, natural language description of exactly what the tool does, what inputs it needs, and what it returns. On the other side of the equation sits the orchestrator. The main large language model reads that natural language menu, analyzes the user's request, and decides on its own which tool it needs to pull off the job. Once the LLM makes its decision, it hands the instruction to the MCP client. The client executes the actual standardized network call to the tool server. The core AI never sees the messy implementation details. It doesn't know how the database is structured, and it doesn't handle the authentication keys. It just tells the client which tool to use. Because the underlying code is completely abstracted away, upgrading your system takes minutes instead of weeks. To give your AI an entirely new capability, you just write the standalone function and add one more entry to the menu. Removing the friction of custom engineering scales your operation immediately. But plugging simple databases into an LLM is just the baseline. Because the protocol is universally standardized, complex AI models plug directly into each other, unlocking agent-to-agent communication. Watch this discovery process. A flight booking agent pings an unknown hotel agent, instantly reading its MCP menu to figure out its capabilities and required data. Based on that menu, the flight agent seamlessly delegates the accommodation search to the hotel agent, passing along the user's travel dates using standardized commands. That means zero glue code, zero human intervention. By giving these models a common, structured language, MCP builds the foundation for a dynamic ecosystem where independent AI agents discover each other, collaborate, and solve complex, multi-step problems entirely on their own. Every custom adapter you write today is a liability for the next update. Relying on manual glue code leaves your architecture trapped in a maintenance cycle, while the rest of the industry moves towards standardized, interoperable design. It is time to stop hard-coding your integrations, adopt the universal standard, sever the tangled wires, and build your next system with the modular plug-and-play power of the Model Context Protocol. Subscribe to the Employee Factory for the technical tutorials and code-first workflows required to implement MCP and manage multi-agent complexity at scale.